India's leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is in Boston, where he has once again questioned and undermined the Indian state. The Gandhi sign during a public interaction criticized Election Commission while once again raking up the Maharashtra poll results alleging discrepancies. While the BJP has slammed the comment as Deshdroh, the Congress has defended Rahul Gandhi, alleging that he is only speaking facts. Rahul Gandhi alleged that the Election Commission is compromised and claimed that there is something wrong with the system, pointing to irregularities in Maharashtra assembly elections. He claimed that an impossible figure of 65 lakh voters was added to the electoral rolls within just 2 hours, and that more people voted than the number of adults in Maharashtra. Rahul Gandhi says this raises serious doubts about the integrity of the electoral process. He also criticized recent rule changes by the Election Commission regarding videography during polling, suggesting a lack of transparency in the process.
More people voted in the Maharashtra assembly elections than there are adults in Maharashtra. So it's very clear to us that the Election Commission is compromised. It's very clear that there is something very wrong with the system. We've said it, we've said it publicly, I've said it multiple times.
Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has issued a sharp rebuttal to Rahul Gandhi's allegations, calling his remarks anti-democratic and anti-India. The Saffron Party, accusing Gandhi of defaming the country on foreign soil, labelled him an agent of George Soros. The party also questioned the timing of Rahul Gandhi's statement, suggesting that raising such charges at this juncture is suspicious and intended to undermine India's democratic institutions.
Here is Rahul Gandhi, who time and again undermines India's institutions. He has already said he's fighting Indian state. Then he goes abroad and he also attacks Indian institutions. India's institutions, which are Samvidhanik institutions, inka apman has become Rahul Gandhi's pehchan.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi suffers from ECS, Entitled Child Syndrome, insulting the nation and blaming the Indian democracy for the sake of covering his own electoral failures has become Rahul Gandhi's favorite sport. He is addicted to vent out his political frustration on foreign soil. In India, he barely attends the parliament, busy in jungle safaris. But when he's on foreign soil and when it comes to blaming India, he's fully charged up. Why? Also, why didn't he tell the audience in Boston the role of Election Commission in Telangana, Karnataka, Himachal, where Congress won? Why is he polluting the mind of the audience in Boston with distorted facts?
Now, BJP MP Sambit Patra, meanwhile, directly linked Rahul Gandhi's attack to the ongoing ED investigation in the National Herald case. Patra accused Gandhi of using the EC remarks as a diversion to deflect attention from the charge sheets filed against him, Sonia Gandhi and others by the Enforcement Directorate, which allege money laundering and corruption. Calling Rahul Gandhi a traitor, the BJP leader claimed that Gandhi's frustration over the ED probe was being vented unfairly against the Election Commission, accusing him of insulting the country on foreign soil.
राहुल गांधी ट्रेटर हैं, केवल इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि विदेश की भूमि में जाकर देश की संस्थाओं का अपमान करते हैं और देश के लोकतंत्र को हीन बताते हैं। वो इसलिए भी ट्रेटर हैं क्योंकि देश की संपत्ति का करोड़ों करोड़ रुपए नेशनल हेराल्ड के माध्यम से उन्होंने गबन किया है। याद रखिए राहुल गांधी, आप और आपकी माताश्री बचने वाली नहीं है। ईडी के गुस्से को ईसी पर निकाल रहे हो, एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट के गुस्से को आप इलेक्शन कमीशन पर निकाल रहे हो, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा। देखिए, राहुल गांधी जॉर्ज सोरोस के एजेंट हैं। राहुल गांधी इज द एजेंट ऑफ जॉर्ज सोरोस, और जॉर्ज सोरोस ही बताता है इनको कि क्या करना है, कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, कैसी एक्टिंग करनी है। ये देखिए, ये सारे के सारे आप समझ लीजिए एक बात क्लियरली, ये जॉर्ज सोरोस इनका ट्यूशन मास्टर है।
Well, all the BJP charges as politically motivated and claim that Rahul Gandhi had only detailed facts in US and not undermined India.
देखिए, तथ्यात्मक बात कर रहे हैं राहुल जी, तथ्यात्मक बात कर रहे हैं, कोई ऐसी हवा में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं राहुल जी। राहुल जी की बात का जवाब देना चाहिए, कीचड़ उछालने से बेहतर है चुनाव के अंदर, चुनाव प्रणाली के अंदर पूरी तरह से पारदर्शिता होनी चाहिए।
What is the issue of maligning any country? I think he must have been asked a particular question, or there is a particular discussion for which he has gone, and thousands of such discussions take place. We go abroad, we talk about things. For example, when we spoke about the world about giving us aid, was it maligning our country? This is all crap. Mr. Gandhi is raising questions which every common man in India is already talking about. How is it that extraordinarily in Maharashtra number of votes go up? How is it that most of the votes, that newly found votes, almost 90% of them go to the lap of the BJP? So it does raise genuine questions.
So you heard the Congress leaders, and the Congress leaders say that these are just politically motivated charges being levelled by the BJP leaders. Maharashtra leaders have strongly condemned Rahul Gandhi's remark, with Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis dismissing Rahul Gandhi's claims as baseless and saying that the statement raises serious questions about Rahul Gandhi's character. Senior Shiv Sena leader also accused the Congress leader of being unable to accept defeat in Maharashtra assembly elections and resorting to defaming the election commission in an attempt to just cover up his party's failures.
राहुल गांधी जिस प्रकार का बर्ताव कर रहे हैं, उनके चरित्र पर एक सवालिया निशान इसके कारण खड़ा हुआ है। ऐसी चीजें करने की जगह वो जनता में जाए, जनता का विश्वास वापस हासिल करे, तो वो चुनाव जीत सकेंगे। दुनिया भर में कितनी भी बदनामी करके वो चुनाव नहीं जीत सकते, इससे उनका ही कद छोटा होता जाएगा।
But the opposition continues to give Rahul Gandhi cover fire. Both PDP and Samajwadi Party are backing the leader of opposition, questioned why the election commission cannot look into the charges that have been levelled by Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah, actually, I have also heard this. The apprehension they have actually highlighted was that a lot of voters were added in the voter list recently before the elections were held. So, as you know, this is a democracy. If you have some apprehensions, those need to be cleared. I don't think there is anything wrong if it needs